my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is time for me to release the Fold It Club. And I'm so excited about this one. I love this one. Now, before I even show it to you, you know what? You're getting a freebie die set. And you know what? It's absolutely positively adorable, and you could totally use it with this set. So I'm really excited about that, but I'm not gonna spoil the surprise for those of you that like to know ahead of time, don't like to know ahead of time. Well, our monthly set this month is the Rainbow Fold It die. Now I'm really excited about this one because I was also able to fit in some clouds as well, which is really nice. Of course, you also get your handy dandy little postcard and your stencils. Now your stencils this month, normally we do 2 5x7 stencils, but I literally could not fit what I wanted to do on a 5x7 for one of them. So one is going to be this fun rain, because you get it rainbow, but the other one, that's a whole background. So let me show you both of these so you can really see them, because they're really exciting. So the other one, instead of doing 5x7, I went a little bit out of the budget, but that's okay. So here you get a cute little rain one. I went a little bit out of the budget, but you are getting 2 stencils that are rainbow, like little stencils. So one is for 3 of the little rings of the rainbow with dots, and one is with the cute little swirls. And I can't wait to show you my samples. But some of you are new to Fold It's, aka shaped cards. And I thought before I would show you the samples, I'm gonna show you how to make one, because those of you that know, you just know how dang easy they are. But some people are new to Fold It, so I wanna show you why they're so awesome. On the back, the largest die is gonna say on the very back, and the camera gets really hard to pick this up, but it says place fold here and then place fold here on 2 spots, right? So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your cardstock, you're gonna fold it in half. I always say that's the hardest part, is just folding it in half. Isn't that crazy? And then I'm going to take my die, and I'm going to, so it says place fold here, I'm gonna put my die, so it's just a little tight. You can see the black underneath, just a little bit over. And then I'm gonna get some washi or some masket tape or something like that. And I am going to tape that down just like that. Then I'm gonna run it through my favorite die cut machine. So you can run it through any machine that you like. I'm gonna grab my MIDI and I'm gonna run this through. Easy peasy, right? Just lay that down. I'm on that fold and I'm gonna run this through the machine. Simple, simple. Now, you're gonna notice one thing that's kind of maybe, I would say, off, or just doesn't look right, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with that. So we're gonna grab this, we're gonna open this up, and now we have our awesome Fold It, but this is the weird part, right? It's a little flat right there because that's where the fold is. I love to do my Fold It's at the top just because they're easier to display like that. But look at that, you're like, oh, no. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that shadow die again, and you're gonna run it through normally so you get the whole die. And that's what I've done right here. I just ran it through, totally normal. Then I used my Kiss Cut pad, because that's kind of like cheating, but it's awesome. I used my Kiss Cut pad and ran it through with this die. Now, if you don't know what the Kiss Cut pad is, go check that video out. But I used my Kiss Cut pad, and now I have all of my rings. I've already done most of them. I have one more to do. I've used the adhesive on the back on all of these. And I'm gonna peel that up, and I'm gonna lay this down right there. So with that Kiss Cut markings, I know exactly where it's gonna go. Now, you are gonna get some extra pieces, right? You are gonna have some extra yellows and reds and blues. No one said your rainbow had to be in rainbow order. No one said you couldn't do a pink rainbow. Nobody didn't say, and when you see my samples, you're gonna get what I'm talking about, okay? So hang tight. So now what we're gonna do to finish this off, I am just going to get some adhesive on the back. And I didn't grab adhesive. Adhesive on the back, and we're gonna add adhesive on this, okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Add that on there. We are going to lay that right on top. Now, boom, I have my Fold It card. Look at this. And these Fold It's are awesome for scrapbooking, for banner making, for anything you want. But look how cute that is. Isn't that gorgeous? And I can write my message. Now's my fun part, because I get to show you the samples. Now, look at how gorgeous this one is using those stencils with the matching ink. Look how pretty that is. Open it up. I love that with the rain stencil in the background. Isn't that beautiful? Now let's look at this one. Whoa, totally different. Wait, what? Look at that. Totally different. Now, keep in mind, if you go way above your rainbow, you'll want to check the size. So if you want it to stay in a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 A2 size envelope, you're going to want to stay a little bit smaller, more like this. But look at how fun this one is. You could just use a bigger envelope. Now remember, I said you could do any colors. Look, this has orange on the outside. Look at that, you guys, totally different. Now, you could be totally fun and do this one totally different. This is not even with the dies cut out, it's just with the stencil. You don't have to use the cardstock. I know, you guys, look at this, like all these 4 different, totally different rainbows. Isn't that amazing? But wait, there's more, because now look at this one with our big party sun. I absolutely love that. Isn't that gorgeous with some little diamonds on it? Here's one made out of patterned paper. Love it. Here's one using our powdered sugar ink. Isn't that gorgeous with just the yellow? And again, different rainbow colors. You don't have to do the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, right? You could mix and match it. Totally different. Oh, here's another one with mostly blues in it. I love that. Isn't that pretty? And then look what Michelle did. She made a cute little baggie out of it so you can hold your goodies. The boys saw this and they went crazy. They're like, where's mine? Where's mine? I'm like, nope, this is Nana's. And then here's even another one using our cute little bunnies. Absolutely love that. Using more of a pastel look with those fun stencils. Now, Folded Club members, dun 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 dun. We always say that we charge on the 24th and we ship by the 1st, but I have a feeling Ken usually gets those in the mail a little bit sooner than he's really supposed to, so that's kind of nice, right? Wow. Now, if you're not in the Folded Club, you need to get in ASAP. Every single month you get a shaped card sent to you automatically in the mail and a stencil set. Now the stencil set is usually 2 5x7s. This one I went a little bit larger, but 2 5x7 stencils that coordinate with that month's shaped card. So much fun. And of course, you know, those club members get all those discounts and the club points. Oh my goodness, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just check out that video because you know what? You're gonna love it. And you know what, Folded Club members, I cannot wait to see what you create. Make sure you upload to our gallery so everyone can see it. If you've ever had trouble with our gallery in the past, guess what? We fixed it. So now you can upload your projects. I can't wait to see them. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.